what does cultural identity look like for those who live outside of Tauranga Moana?
For those of us that were brought up outside of the rohe, I was fortunate. My mum and them all lived at home, but I was brought up outside. Now that's a nice tight hononga to be able to slingshot you back into the activities of your marae, your hapu, etc. But there's also there's a lot of barriers for those that don't have people living in the kāinga to be able to wrap them up and bring them home. I love it when our iwi can open up the doors through a whole range of different mediums, whether they're waiata, whether they're heke, whether they're wānanga, whether they're whatever they are, but being able to open up the doors and say, you are us, we are you, and come home. We also saw too, through that the dinner that we had the other day, and Rangi just mentioned it, man, so many skills from our artists to our weavers to our dancers to our builders to our kaiako to our, bankers to our whomevers. We just are rich in skills. Now, if people feel like they can feed and weave into our iwi, we are all richer for it.
Kia ora, tēnā koe.